because we're
9 miles.
yeah, this is only 9 miles, so this is very
Airport
close.
miles.
Oh, 1 mile.
No.
Oh, I thought it said 1 mile.
And then I'll take a picture
No,
of you.
I want to take a
Oh,
picture.
sige, you
of
take a
this.
picture of you of the whole view.
I did already. Granny, can you move?
View from the Cotswold Hills.
Granny, can you move, please?
Yeah.
You should take a picture of the owl. There. You take a photo. No, you go there. You take a photo beside it. See, at least you'll have a better picture. Yeah, see? The
Okay.
magic owl. You go there. Have a nice picture of the owl, yeah? With the
What
view.
happens if you touch this?
Oh, no, don't go there. That's the boundary.
Do you touch it?
Yeah, that's electric.
Huh?
No, that's a joke. But don't touch it. Why will you touch it?
I just want to touch it.
Oh, don't touch it. You're crazy. If you get electrocuted, don't.
Daddy, can you touch it?
So you want Daddy to be
Dali na.
electrocuted.
Don't touch it. Oh,
Alexis. Hey!
No.
Oh, it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly.
dali na. Take a picture of the owl.